Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and more specifically tell you how to boost your immune system fast and easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 5 simple things that you can do to increase and boost your natural immune system. Now, everybody's immune system is different, so some people will have a stronger immune system than others, and other people will have a weaker immune system than others. But these 5 things will help you boost your immune system no matter where your starting point is, okay? Now, I'm driving to a location, so I'm just gonna be filming this while I'm driving, so just bear with me because I'm gonna be focusing on the road as I speak, okay? But my information is the most important part of this video. Number 1 is to essentially eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are literally the best things that you can eat in terms of overall vitamins, nutrients, minerals, and so forth. By eating more fruits and vegetables, you're actually going to be in a much better position to have that immunity boost from all of the germs and the regular sicknesses and stuff like that. So what you want to do is incorporate fruits and vegetables into your daily diet as much as you can. Number 2, exercise daily. So that doesn't mean you need to exercise for 20 hours a day. It doesn't mean you need to do even half an hour a day. But you essentially want to have some form of exercise and movement on a daily basis. By exercising daily, you're going to sort of get oxygenated blood pumping through your veins, and that oxygenated blood that's going through your veins is now going to better your body overall, which will also include an immune system boost. Number 3, get enough sleep. I have 4 young kids, so this is something that I myself am still working on doing, but you want to get enough sleep for your body. Some people only need, 5 hours of sleep a night. Others need 10. It's up to you. But whatever amount of sleep you need to function properly the next day, you need to get that amount of sleep. I personally try to get 6 hours. Sometimes I'll get 7 on the weekends. Sometimes I'll get 5 if it's a busy night, the night before if I'm doing some extra work on my side hustles, after my full-time job and after dealing with my kids and getting them in bed and so forth, and then spending some time with my wife, blah, blah, blah. But getting enough sleep will work wonders for your immune system overall. Number 4, drink more than enough water. I am dehydrated right now, as you can see in my tongue. It is white. I need to drink more water right now, but I'm filming, so I will be drinking water as soon as I'm done this batch of videos. Drinking water is great because your body is essentially built on water. So water is absolutely fantastic in so many ways for your body and for your own immune system. So drinking enough water is key for getting an immune system boost. Number 5, last but not least, is to steer clear of stress. You want to avoid stress whenever possible, just because stress does a number of negative things on your body. So a number of negative things to your body. So by steering clear of stress, you're going to get that natural immune system boost, because stress will decrease your immune system. So steering clear of stress will boost your immune system, especially if you're fulfilled and happy and so forth. And that's basically it. That is how to boost your immune system fast and easily, a full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.